is? It's your boy Tunchi, and this is YBE TV. Today I got a question from my man T. Gilbert. You already know, but before we get into that, we gotta pay some bills. First bill we gotta pay is to YBE TV. YBE TV. Hit me up at www.ybetv.org. Go down to Ask Tune and send your question with your information, and I will definitely get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Got a lot of questions coming in. Next, you already know we got a sponsor. YBE TV is actually paying YBE TV. Ain't that some crap? We got a business class, www.ybetv.org/course, all lowercase letters. And this course is going to teach you how to structure your business and actually build business credit. Log in, pay $50 before it go up to $250. You already know. So let's get into it. T. Gilbert. This one right here says trucking game subject. Good evening, Tune. First off, I would like to thank you for your great content on YouTube. Welcome. I have a long question, so here it goes. Me and my friend started a trucking company a few months ago, and I started building our business credit immediately since most of our personal credit is challenged. Challenged now. Okay. I'll be selling my house soon for about $50,000-$60,000. What's the best thing to do with the money to buy a truck outright cash or use for some down payment? Luckily, we're able to run under my family member's authority for only 10%. So y'all get 90% of the load? That's dope. He'll show us the ropes with loads. Plus, my friend that lives in AZ went to school for logistics and supply chain management and has been working as a dispatcher for years. I believe I have all the key pieces to be very successful in this game. I just need a little help. Should we be starting our own brokerage ASAP as well? Man, bro, like you know what, man? I'm not gonna lie, man. In a way, sometimes when a lot of these people be coming in, I get kind of jealous because y'all be getting these opportunities. Y'all have family members and friends that's already in the game, and y'all be having these inside plugs, and it be super decent. I really, really appreciate that. I get jealous, and then I snap back and say, you know what, I am Tunchi. I definitely am Tunchi. So I snap back into reality and say, that is a dope situation. Can't be jealous of it. First and foremost, I want to say is you doing your business credit. Make sure you get my business credit course, www.ybetv.org/course, all lowercase, and make sure you structure the business correctly. Next, I'm gonna tell you like this: if you got 50,000-60,000, I would definitely say buy the truck outright, or knock a nice chunk of it out. And if you in a situation where you ain't got a bunch of kids or whatever, you ain't got nothing going on, get on that road, you and your family member, split it 50-50 and get to it. When by the time y'all get off that road, y'all should be able to put down on a house. That's a joke. A knock joke. Y'all should be able to buy a house outright, a piece. I would go on the road for a year. If it was me and my cousin, we could get along, I would be able to buy a house outright for a year. You could get you a nice truck for about $45K, but the thing is that your cousin, he's not going to be able to split it 50-50. Matter of fact, if you putting up all that money, he's going to work for you, and I would give him $800 to $1,000 a week when he earns it. And I would definitely not treat him like a cousin. I would definitely treat him like an employee, because the one thing about family that you're going to have to definitely give to your cousin is, listen, you got to understand the fact that you got to want me to win. You got to definitely want me to win. You don't go in the game and treat me like you gonna treat that guy that you work for at 7-Eleven. If you work for a guy at 7-Eleven, you going to treat him with respect. You going to treat him with dignity. And you not going to question your paycheck. And if you work for me, you question it every dime because we family members. You got to understand that family thing gets you fired faster because you should want to see me succeed. You should want to work harder for me because I'm your family member, and you should want to see me, you know, on the top. So I would honestly say that as far as the supply chain management, as far as should we start our own brokerage ASAP? I wouldn't say that is a situation that requires your attention as of now. Like, you ever seen Paper Soldiers? Like, there's a movie called not Paper Soldiers. It was a movie with Dame Dash and Benny Siegel. And he told them to put the weed. No, I think that was Belly. He told them to put the weed in the bag first, and then get money. Don't rush it. Go through it slowly and surely. So take your time. Get your truck. Inspect your truck. Get it on the road. Build your budget. Make your money. Figure out your pay. And then start breaking down every other aspect of that game, if that makes sense. I hope that's helpful. You already know T. Gilbert. Thanks for subscribing. You already know this is your boy Tunchi. If you don't want to end up in a box, think outside of it. YBE.
Drug dealing and killing is going on in my town. It don't take a killer to kill or a driller to drill. See, just being yourself is the definition of real.